everybody. It's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Today, we're going to make a snowstorm in the middle of the forest. How is that possible? As a scientist, you will find out very, very soon. So, these are the materials that you will need. So, let's make sure we have everything first and foremost. You need 1 cup of water. We have water in this cup here. And this is a 1 cup, that's actually measuring cup. So we're just going to take that water, pour it in here. So, we have the 1 cup of water. We have baby oil. We have our glitter. We have our tablets and acid, aka Alka-Seltzer, right here. We have white paint right here. We have a jar. And we have our stir stick. Okay, so we have everything, so we can check off everything. So that makes it easier when you have to do it, right? So everything is right at hand. Let's make snow. So it's winter, right? But you can do this, of course, any time of the year. Now, I'm going to put this down here. All right, so let's go first off. Move our stir stick out the way. We're going to put in our baby oil. So about, not the full thing, you can go about 3/4. So if you need help, of course, as always, you can ask your mom, your dad, older sibling to help you out. And we're just going to pour that in as much as we can. It's a little squeeze one, so it takes a little longer, but we're going to make sure we get all of it out. There we go. All right, so that's done. Baby oil, check. So now we're going to add our water. So this is 1 cup of water, and we're going to add that to the mix. Now, as a scientist, what do you know about oil and water? Does it mix? Sound familiar? All right. So just keep that in mind. So we put in our oil, we put in our water, and you can even see where there's like a separation of sorts. All right. Now we're going to put in our white paint. And just put that in a few drops, just like that. We're going to add our glitter. We got blue glitter, so if you want to try different colors, feel free to. It doesn't have to be blue. Just put that in, sprinkle that in, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And what's happening with the glitter? If it's falling down, but look what happens to it, right? Making a little ball. Already, we haven't even gotten to the really good part yet. So, we also can put in food dye, food coloring. So we have blue and we have green. So since we have blue glitter in, I think I'm going to put in a little green. What do you think? Can we have a green snowstorm? Why not? I'm going to put that in. Okay, and then as you are putting in your ingredients or your material, you can also notice what's happening to each of them. See? There's separation. There's all kinds of action already. Last but not least, we're going to put in our actual antacid tablet, or mom, dad, guardians know it as Alka-Seltzer. So, we're going to put it in. You could break it up. Let's see what happens. We're not going to put the whole thing in first. I'm just going to put in a half. And what is happening? I'm going to bring it a little closer so you can really see it. What's happening? You see it moving? Already. So, I'm going to put in the other one. And now we really have some movement. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Now, what is happening with when we put the antacid? I'm going to put in one more. Whoa. I'm going to bring it closer so you can really see it. Now you see it really going. Check it out. Now what happened is that the tablet plus water equal bubbles. Or there's a release of something called carbon dioxide gas. Once that gas is released, you get your snowstorm in a jar. How's that for science? Now, of course, once it calms down, you can always put in another tablet. Now, this is the kind of snowstorm I think parents, guardians can appreciate, because you don't have to shovel this. Oh no. You don't have to worry about wipeout conditions. Not with this kind of snowstorm. Check it out. There it is. Our snowstorm in a jar. I want to thank you guys for coming and doing our STEM project with us. Once again, all of the materials is right here. You need water, baby oil, glitter, white paint, food coloring, that's optional. Of course, the Alka-Seltzer or antacid tablets, a clear jar, and if you need a stirring stick, you can also use that so you can keep that snow going. There we are, guys. Thank you so much again. Take care, and until we meet again. Thanks, junior scientists. Have a ball. Bye for now.